So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the boot, you can see we've got plenty of space in there, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and in the top section, you'll see the total miles for the car, which are 6,330. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that central section. You can change the information that's displayed there for various things, including a trip computer, your phone, audio, and satellite navigation menus as well. And eventually you'll get back round to the beginning. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We've got phone and stereo controls over that side as well. And on the left, the stereo controls continue, along with cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the centre, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where, amongst other things, you pair up your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. We have our music, of course, and you'll see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth audio. This car's also got 2 separate USB inputs, so you can plug devices into either or both of those, and they will appear up on here as further options for you as well. And then we have satellite navigation there. There's a full video showing this working on both our website and on our YouTube channel. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. Or hit auto. The car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain that temperature for you. To override it, just readjust the fans, put it back on your own setting here. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Just below that, a cigarette lighter or 12-volt charging socket. You can use it for either. One of the 2 USB inputs, a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then down the bottom here, we can put the car in eco mode. We can turn off the traction control, and this button will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows, so it's on or back off again. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.